back to my YouTube channel. Hi besties, and welcome back to another day, another vlog. So I'm just opening up this vlog today. It's Friday, it's the 25th of July 2025, and I'm currently at home. If you can tell by the makeup, I am trying to shoot some content for Fashion Friday. The video is supposed to go up today, so this is how I look. I tried to add I use some lipstick as blush here. Yeah, so this is how I look. Oh, where are my manners? Hi besties, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Delight and I do lifestyle content, mostly in the form of vlogs. If you like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button, become a part of the family. I also do fiction content, I do cooking content, and then I just take you through my days as unemployed girl staying with her parents. So this is basically my life. And I think the first clip that I showed you guys, I was in Chivi. I don't think I showed my face, but I was in Chivi. That's the first clip that I showed you guys. So today I'm just trying to shoot some content for Fashion Friday. I'm still feeling a bit under the weather, but yeah, I think we are getting there. So this is how I look today. And to my returning besties, thank you so much for always being part of the family. Thank you for always supporting me by liking, by commenting. I love you guys so much. And my new besties, you're about to become my favorite people on the earth. So thank you so much for coming here. So now I'm just taking a break because I need to get something to eat. I think it's around 2 p.m. and I think I'll last eat cereal in the morning because I'm also having issues with appetite. So now I'm just going to make something quick to eat, and then yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I think my skills are improving a bit, not so much but a bit. I think if I keep on trying, I'm going to be better at this. So yeah, this is a olive. Hi boo, why is this taking so long? I'm hungry. Yeah. So this is my bread. I just toasted 4 slices. I'm not sure if I'm going to finish it. Then this is my rooibos with milk, some salad cream, and I'm going to use these pilchards in tomato sauce. That's what I'm going to use. So yeah, let me just prepare this. So let me just enjoy my food and then I will clear up. Since I was shooting something, there is stuff everywhere inside the house, especially inside my room, so I need to clean that up. So I'm just going to catch up on Skim Sam because I didn't watch it yesterday. I was actually watching Scandal yesterday. Tell me guys, are you still watching Scandal? Because I had stopped obsessing over Scandal for quite a bit. And then I think now the storyline is improved. Now that Fuvu found the real Patricia, and yeah. That's where the storyline is now. So I can't wait to see what happens today. I don't know how Talita is involved in all this. It seems like between Tabs and Tiro, one of the kids might be Semiday's son. So that's where the storyline is now. I'm actually invested to find out what exactly is going to happen. Yeah, I'm actually excited for it because the storyline was a bit shaky, especially after the rebranding, the whole Etembeni stuff. But now I think they are now coming back with something that we can actually watch. So I was now mostly watching Skim Sam at half 7, then I would catch up on Scandal, and I didn't care if I didn't watch the repeat or not. But yeah, Skim Sam is also very interesting these days, especially with Leasa out and their whole fight with Preeti and asking Preeti to pay back the money that she used, which is crazy. That is crazy business. So yeah, I'm actually invested in SkimSam. I make sure that I catch up on SkimSam because there are some people who upload SkimSam episodes on YouTube. I don't know if they are not supposed to do that, but they do it. And yeah, because I usually miss the repeat at 9:30, I watch it on YouTube. So that is what I'm going to watch and enjoy my food. So do you guys watch SkimSam or Scandal? Yo, this guy is controlling. And then there are these two, oh my word. Hi besties and welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today it's a Saturday, as the 20... Hey, me and always forgetting dates, yeah. It's the 26th of July, 2025. So I'm just getting ready to go help my mom. We are selling some stuff. There are some Catholic women who are gathered close to our area, so I'm just going to go there and help her sell the stuff that we are selling. Ndovanambuya ana vakaungana handisiye zvekuti zuva guru noti rinonzi chii, I have no idea because vangu varipo since Friday. They've been here since Friday, so handizivi kuti rinonzi zuva guru here kana kuti chii because I'm not Catholic, so I don't know. But yeah, ndokwatiri kuenda and I'm just going to show you guys my outfit. I'll show you what I'm wearing. It's just a simple outfit because I'm not going to a fashion show. I'm going to sell. So yeah, I'm going to be a vendor there. So it's not a fashion show. So I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Now I just need to pick some items that my mom asked me to bring. So let's do that and then I will show you guys my outfit. Then we... I'm also just bringing her a snake actually. She doesn't like starch, so this is what she's going to have. Oh my god. And that is it. So this is what I'm wearing. Just blue jeans, white sneakers, a white t-shirt, and this jacket. And this is the bag that I'm going to carry, and a black cap. Kunokwi wokuzotenga pamwe watori newavo mozi. Vanogona kunge vatoriwo nani. Kana vabva kumba nhasi vanogona kutongobva nemacake slices mozi. Kovira tisataona chinhu. Tovaisira muinbox.
Zvetu wazvionera zvebhero
Azindezvani akusikuchaji aiwa panezvatotora akuvhidhiyo womafunga kuti pane chaji aiwa
aiwa ndokutotengwa kwavo amwe anosiya atsikwa-tsikwa ndokutotengesa kwavo
saka apanda kutombozvizwa oita zviri nani mari dzenyu dzirimo mari
Oli. Oli. Unokwana oli. Ya inokwana. Basti wakadi. Apake pakadi. Ah, saka unokwana.
zvikangofanana toto changu vanhuke